Okay, fellas, let's get stupid. Look at Pam one more time. It ought to be a crime. He ain't no friend lose. It's your turn. Never mind.
Fuck that guy!
Well, it ought to be a crime. He ain't no friend of mine.
Fuck that guy!
Last one, everybody.